What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Mike Burford here. As you can tell, I'm very excited today. Like I did promise the other day, I would do an unboxing of the G7 once I actually received it. But what happened was, once I received it, I got so excited and opened it up. All right. But what I'm going to do with you here is just to go over with you what I did get with the bundle from the G7, and the description will be below. So if you'd like to check it out, you can go ahead and check it out on Amazon. And I got a couple of things also that I purchased from eBay. All right, so let's just get into it real quickly. Okay, what I did was I actually purchased this Rode mic, Video Micro. Okay, now I actually purchased this from Amazon. It was around, I think, $58 or $59. No, I didn't actually purchase this on Amazon. I'm sorry. I actually purchased this on eBay. Okay, I paid around $58 for this on eBay. Okay, now what actually came in the G7 bundle kit, it was actually a fundamental filter kit. The battery charger, a digital battery that actually came with the bundle, an SD card, 32 gigabyte, also an SD card reader, okay, and also a mini backpack, and also a digital multi-coated wide-angle telephoto lens kit. Okay, now I'm going to show you the G7, which I already put together. I'm new at this, so don't mind me. Okay, this is the Panasonic G7. Already put on the 14 millimeter and 42 lens. Already put on the lens hood also. Okay, it is definitely official. Okay, also I purchased this is called a Konica. I think it's a 100 35 millimeter lens. I actually purchased this $10 for it and $10 to ship. Okay, now I also purchased this off of eBay. This was around $8, $8 or $9. Okay, now I also received this. I actually bought this from, I don't know if I'm actually saying it right. It's called Adorma.com. Now I actually purchased this 50 millimeter lens. Actually, I purchased it for $15. Everything seems to be working on it. Okay, so I purchased this for $15, but I also see this on eBay actually for way more money. Okay, so I definitely got this definitely at a steal. Okay, so if you guys would like to purchase something like this, basically look around before you actually make your purchase. Okay, Amazon actually have this for more. I think I was looking at this on Amazon. It was about maybe like $87, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so yeah, man. Now what I'm actually going to do here for today, today's actually Saturday. So what I'm actually going to do here today, just going to play with it a little bit to see how I can actually learn this G7 thing here. And I'm also going to go on YouTube a little bit to actually, look around for any tutorials. I'm new currently at this YouTube thing, so this is why I invested into myself and just bought a G7. Like I mentioned before, my phone actually had broke. So yeah. Instead of procrastinating, guys, just go after your dream. And YouTube is definitely a part of my dream. Okay, and I won't stop until I get it right. And I also, what I did was also I said to myself, I'm gonna build a business. Now I also know that normally it takes about 5 years to build your own business. Okay, so instead of me just talking about it, what I actually did was I created my own LLC through the state of New Jersey, because I currently live in New Jersey. So that's what I actually did. Now, my business is called Creative Control Media. Now, it is going to be on online base. I haven't done anything yet. But, like I mentioned before, goals is something that I do write down. And like Roberto Blake said, write about 3 to 5 goals down, because I don't want to overwhelm myself with so many goals. So yeah, definitely that's what I'm going to do, just to get, the business part right and the strategy of how I'm going to present myself with it. And just to let you guys know, my channel is based on entrepreneurship. I'm going to do other things in regards to that also, but it's mainly based to give people motivation in regards to possibly becoming an entrepreneurship. Now, well, not an entrepreneurship, but entrepreneur. Now, yes, I definitely understand that entrepreneurship is not for everyone. My whole purpose is to, inspire people to possibly become entrepreneurs, because I always feel like a lot of the things that we are very passionate about, we actually don't put into place. We actually don't go for. And a lot of the things that we're passionate about, it can possibly be something you can make money off of for yourself and not have to work for anyone. I'm not saying for everybody to be an entrepreneur. It's just for the people, the men and the women out there that actually have an entrepreneurial mindset. Okay, because, like I mentioned before, everything starts with the mind. Okay, so YouTube, I had to just put this video out there. Keep pushing, going hard. Run after your G's, chase your dreams, and stop being an 8-hour thinker. Later on, YouTube, I'm out.